Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how to enable dark mode on your Instagram application. Nowadays this feature is available for all Android mobile devices, but I don't know about iOS platforms because I don't have iOS iPhone. So sorry friends, but most of them already upload this dark mode related contents on YouTube, and these contents are not real, so you can check it. All the videos shows just activate their mobile dark mode and then you get the Instagram dark mode, and this is very funny. But my video is official release of Instagram dark mode. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. First of all, open your Instagram mobile application. Now in this newsfeed section, in bottom it shows some icon. So here you can press your more profile icon at the fifth one, and it shows my Insta profile information. Now this time you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon, and it is placed at almost top of the right side corner, and then go to settings. So here you can go to theme settings. Finally I get the dark mode settings. So just select dark, and then my black theme is ready to use. So this is the way you can easily activate your Insta dark mode by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Harry Viral, and thanks for watching.